Hi there, and thanks for taking the time to watch this short presentation about the truth about getting premium renters insurance leads at the right price, of course, in San Diego. My name's Drew. I'm with DH Web Consulting. My phone number is featured here, and it will be featured at the end of the report. You can contact me directly at any time. I always answer my own phone. So what we're going to do is go over the facts and problems with purchasing online leads, the top 4 places that my clients were previously buying leads, and at the end there'll be an exclusive offer available to only one insurance business in San Diego. So here are the current top 4 ways to get online leads. You of course have pay-per-click, which is the Google AdWords giant, and to some extent Bing. Now let's go over and look at the results here. So this is Renters Insurance San Diego, and the first thing you're going to see is that all of the companies that are advertising are Allstate, Farmers, Geico, Liberty Mutual. So these are huge corporations with huge budgets. They're not just Renters Insurance or other insurance agents in the area that you're competing with. So you're competing against huge companies. The other problem is pay-per-click is extremely expensive. Renters insurance, right now, that keyword, the average cost per click here is $11.13. Other insurance keywords are astronomically high. We're talking about $74, $73, $72, $66 per click. Now, when I refer to a lead, I'm generally referring to a phone call. And keep in mind, it can take 3 to 10, on average, 3 to 10 clicks to get one call. So we're talking about, at that $11 rate, 33 to 100, over $100, in clicks to get that one phone call, to get that one lead. So the second most common way is search engine optimization. If you're not familiar with that, that is paying a company to optimize your site to get on the, hopefully on page 1. And SEO, search engine optimization, is something that I'm very familiar with. I have a lot of experience with it. If that's exactly what you're looking for, please feel free to give me a call. One tip I will say is just a red flag for everyone out there. Please, if anyone is guaranteeing you results in SEO, please do not work with them. There's no way to guarantee results. The only way to do that is to use methods that will get your site banned. And Google will remove your site and your information from the search engines for going against their terms of service. And that's something that I've dealt with quite a lot. There's a lot of scams out there when it comes to SEO. And SEO is also expensive. This is a national company that has their pricing chart featured online. Most people, you have to talk to a sales rep to get to it. But even the cheapest package is $329 per month, going up to $4,000. I've seen packages as high as $10,000 a month. So I do a lot of SEO. A lot of times it's doing damage control for companies that have ruined reputations by getting their websites in trouble. So another way, number 3, we have buying non-exclusive leads. This is through big sites like Insurance Leads, where they say 2 to 4, but it's usually up to 10 people. And what results there, you get into a lot of bidding wars. People are paying the leads and the quotes against everyone else, and it's kind of a classic race to the bottom example. Number 4, believe it or not, is Yellow Pages. I say believe it or not because I'm not sure who exactly still uses it, but there's a lot of old school marketers and searchers online. So there's quite a lot of traffic here. If you look at Renters Insurance San Diego, there's 273 agents listed just in San Diego. They are all paying to be in the regular search result. And some people are paying per call and per click over here on the side. Quite a few agents down here. So let me tell you, before we go to the offer, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name's Drew Howerton, and I've been in online marketing for the past 7 years. I've been getting results for my clients and my own businesses. I've generated leads on the national level for Fortune 500 companies like Allstate, Netflix, and Vistaprint, Omaha Steaks, Blockbuster, really big companies. I started taking a couple years ago, I started taking a more personal approach and working with actual clients. Um, and I bring that same work ethic and drive that I had working with those national companies to my local clients. And like I said, I pride myself on being reachable at all times. A few quick testimonials here. These are all local lead clients. Jane here is a designer, a very well-known designer, and I helped grow her business by 40% in the first 3 months alone. So she says, "You're always a pleasure to work with. You've been the only consultant I've worked with who can explain complex online marketing methods in a way I can understand them." Next, Mary says, "You are a phenomenal company. We're very pleased with the carpet leads we get through DHWC. We're not using other lead services anymore," which is something that we actually hear a lot. We're quite proud of that. "Thank you for explaining to us how the lead system works. It is currently working for us." And that's Mary, again, who does carpet cleaning leads. And this last one is from David, who is actually an insurance agent. "Our company has been a part of the DHWC family now for about a year, and our business has doubled in income." And that's what it's really all about. It's really about return on investment in your advertising and, spending your money wisely and getting calls and leads that convert and that are real and, something you can outsource to an expert. So how can I help you specifically? Well, I'll tell you what I do. I build smart online platforms that get people searching to call local numbers that I own. Then I sell those calls and the leads to only one business owner in any area. I'll show you specifically for your area here. This is Renters Insurance Experts, and the domain name, it's a nice exact match domain, rentersinsurancesandiego.net. Keep in mind that site is meant to convert. It's meant to have people call and fill out the form here. We're not trying to win any design awards. We do split test all of our sites, and we go with what converts, not with what we think is super pretty. So that's why it's a very basic looking site with some calls to action and the fire and red color and things about burglars. But it does convert very nicely. As you can see down here at the bottom, we have all the areas surrounding San Diego that the site targets and ranks for, as well as all the zip codes. And it's a very simple model. It's this phone number here will be forwarded to you as soon as you establish a relationship with us. So you'll get the calls coming from this number, and you'll also get the leads that come from this lead capture form here. So, like I said, this is an exclusive offer. I only work with one business in each area that I do this for. And then I will give them all the exclusive calls and leads generated by that platform. It's a very simple model. You buy a package of leads, either 10, 15, 25, and we turn on the tap right away. You'll start getting the calls. You'll start getting the leads. There's no long-term contracts. You can cancel anytime. And you get 24 hours to reject any lead that you think is no good. The leads will either be the phone calls or request for a quote. Now, we get those from the website like I just showed you. We also have exclusive partnerships with ad agencies and media buying companies where that number will go out, as well as videos and images that we also rank on YouTube and Google Images and things like that. Now, once we start working with one business, you get exclusive rights to continue receiving all these leads as long as you want to simply by buying another package as you go. It's just like a prepaid phone card. For those of you that remember prepaid phone cards. If you ever want to stop, just let us know. We'll cancel our agreement. We'll find someone else who wants the work, who wants the calls and the leads. So that's about it. I work on a first come, first served policy. This message is going out to all the renters insurance agents in San Diego today. So I encourage you not to miss out. These packages and Numbers are rarely offered twice because my clients generally love the service. They continue working with us for years. So secure your position now. You can prepay for your exclusive leads below by using a credit card or PayPal. And you can call me direct at 323-334-0560, and I answer all my calls personally. You can go to my website to see all the services. I do always answer that phone myself. I have a whole team of people that work for me, but that is my direct number. We do have other models when people start working us. Instead of the prepaid packages, we start renting the site out at a flat rate per month, and it will generate more leads that way, and it's easier for everyone, and people seem to love that as well. So, as soon as someone buys this, the PayPal will disappear at the bottom here. So if you're watching and there's no way to purchase those leads, I do apologize. Then the San Diego area has already been purchased. So, but if you see the buttons below, then you can go ahead and purchase now. Or if you want to talk with me directly, if you don't quite understand how this is working or how it's different from the other models that I showed you, if you have any quality concerns, anything like that, just give me a call. Again, thanks for taking the time to watch this. I know you're very busy. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been able to find you online. So thanks again, and good luck.